Good morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Varma, and today I am going to discuss chapter 6 of R.S. Agrawal, that is simplification. So now you know that about simplification. Now we will discuss some question and one important rule of simplification, that is V board mass we will discuss. Clear, student? So this is chapter 6 of R.S. Agrawal. Clear, student? Now first we will discuss about V board mass. Clear, student? First we will discuss about V board mass. Clear, student? So V means, V stand for vinculum. In question I will explain what is vinculum. Vinculum. Clear, student? Next is bracket. Clear, student? V means vinculum, B means bracket, O means you know that of. Clear? D means you know that what? Division. Clear, student? Vinculum, bracket, of, division. Next is multiplication. Multiplication. M means, student, multiplication. Now next is what? Addition. Addition. Clear, student? So A means addition. So first you will do addition. Then last is, student, what? Last is subtraction. Clear, student? So this is the full form of V board mass. First you have to solve vinculum. You will give priority according to this. Like if vinculum is given, so you will solve first vinculum, then bracket, then of, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. Clear, student? You have to follow this step. Means if in the question first vinculum is given, you should solve first vinculum. First division is given, so you have to solve division. Yani according to this way you have to solve the question based on simplification. You have to follow this order. Clear? Now I will explain some question based on this. So now move to the question. So our first question is very easy and very simple. First I will explain. Like what is given? Exercise 6A. Clear, student? So our first question is given 21 minus 12 divided by 3 into 2. Clear, student? अब according to rule you have to find out. Here vinculum is given or not? So you will say, so no vinculum is given. Vinculum is, student, like just say 3 minus 2, this bar is given. So this is known as vinculum. So if any question, if this one is given, so you have to solve this one first. You have to give first priority. Clear? Now vinculum is not given. After this V board mass, you know that V board mass. Ab you know that vinculum is not given. Okay, now again check. Bracket is given anywhere? Bracket is not given, to left this. Off is given anywhere? Off is not given, to left. Division is given, student? Yes, division is given here. So you will solve this one first. Okay, so you will write down 21 minus 12 upon 3. So write down 12 upon 3 into 2. Clear, students? So now 12 upon 3, you know that 3 4 ja 12. Clear? So this will become 21 minus. Now what you can solve? After division, multiplication is coming. So multiplication. So we will do multiplication 4 and 2. So 4 and 2 it will come 8. Clear, student? Now addition is given, not given. So what you will do? You will do subtraction. Yani 21 minus 8. Yani this will come 13. So this is your appropriate answer. Clear, student? You have to follow the steps of V board mass, then you will solve all the question based on this. Clear, student? So this was very simple question. Again I am going to take another example. So now next example is, come on, question number 5. Question number 5. What is given question number 5, student? First, you have to write down question. Question is given 36 minus 18 minus 14 minus 15 minus 4 divided by 2 into 2, then small bracket and square bracket. Clear? Now you have to solve this question. Now you have to solve very carefully. Clear, student? First you have to see anywhere vinculum is given. Vinculum is not given. Now next is bracket. So bracket is given. Yes, here bracket is given. This is also bracket. So first you will solve the bracket. Clear? Now, and always you have to start from right hand side. So now 36 same, 18 minus, this will be also same, 14 minus, now 15 minus. Up in bracket you have to see what is given. In bracket first division is given. Clear? So after vinculum, V board mass, vinculum bracket of division. Clear, student? So here vinculum is not given, bracket is not given, of is not given. What is given? Division. So what you will do? You will do the division. So it will become 4 by 2. Clear? Up to 2 is 4. And here multiply by 2. Clear, student? So this will be, you will solve this. Now what is given? Multiply. After division multiplication will come. So you will do multiplication. So now 36 same, 18 minus 14 minus, now 15, so 15 write down, 2 2s are 4, minus sign is given, so write down minus, and 2 2s are 4, so write down 4. Clear, student? Now here solve. Now again this bracket is given, so again you have to solve the bracket. 36 18 minus 14, now 15 minus 4, student, 11, and this minus goes inside, so it will become what? Minus, first write down, this will become 11. First write down 11. Clear, student? Okay. Now next step is 36 18 minus 14. A minus, here plus sign is given, so minus plus, you know that, minus. So minus plus minus, minus 11, and this one will be bracket off. Clear, student? So now move to the next step. Here I am writing okay. Now so from here I am writing here what is given? 36. Write down 36. फिर bracket 18 minus, now 14 minus 11, bracket in, it is given, so bracket you will solve. 14 minus 11, it will become 3, and minus plus minus, here minus is given, here 14 minus 11 3, so when this minus goes inside, this will become minus. Okay, so 18 minus 3. Clear, student? Now next is 36, 1 minute, here minus sign is given, sorry, here I forget to write down minus sign is given. Clear? 36 फिर minus 18 minus 3, you know that, student, what? 15. So write down 15. Clear? So 36 minus 15, it will come what? It will come 21. So student, here you can see when I am following the step by step, then I am easily solve the question, and you have to follow the step by step. You can solve the question based on this. Clear, student? This is very easy, only you have to focus the concept. Now move to the next example. Practice is very important, student. You have to do the practice of questions. Some question I explained, and rest of them you will solve yourself. Clear, student? So now come to the next question. So our next question is question number 7. Come on, question number 7. What is given? Question number 7. 4 whole 4 by 5. 4 whole 4 by 5 divided by 3 by 5 of 5 plus 4 by 5 into 3 by 10 minus 1 by 5. Clear, student? This is our question. Now we have to solve this question, student. Okay, now come to the question. Here vinculum is given, student. Vinculum is not given. Left this. Bracket is given. Bracket is not given. After bracket, what will come? Off. Check here, anywhere off is given? Yes, off is given. So first you will solve this term. Clear? So now write down. You can also solve. Write down 4 whole 4 upon 5 divided by 3 upon 5 same. Off means you know that what, student? Previous class you discussed, and in fraction also I discussed. Off means multiplication. So write down multiplication 5 plus 4 by 5 into 3 by 10 minus 1 by 5 same. Clear? You have to follow this step by step. Now 5 1 ja 5. Clear? So it will become what? 4 whole 4 upon 5 divided by 3 1 ja 3. Because of you have to solve first. When you are solving 5 and 5 divisible 1 here, so 1 3 ja 3. Okay. Plus 4 by 5 into 3 by 10 minus 1 by 5. Clear, students? Now next is what? Bracket of division. So division is given, student. Now next what you will solve? You will solve division. So division. So first solve this one. 5 4 ja 20. 20 plus 4 24 upon 5 divided 3 plus 4 upon 5 into 3 by 10 minus 1 upon 5. Clear? Now this division you have to solve. Clear? So what you will write down, student? You know that if here I am writing, let's say 1 upon 2 divided by 3 by 2, it is given. So I explain in integer and fraction, if division is given, it means this will be reciprocal. Yani 1 upon 2 it will change in multiply, and this will change into this divide and change into multiply, and this number become reciprocal. Reciprocal means reverse. Yani this will become 2 by 3. I explained in previous video. So similarly 24 by 3 is given, so write down 24 by 3. Where nothing is given, you can put 1. Clear, student? So 3 by 1 is given. When this sign divide change into multiplication, so this will become multiplication, and what I explained, this number become reciprocal. Yani it will become 1 upon 3. Is that clear, student? Now rest is same. 4 upon 5 into 3 upon 10 minus 1 upon 5. Clear, student? Now come to the, here I am erasing. Okay. So now after this I am writing here. Now 24 upon 5. Here you can reduce 3 8 ja 24. Clear? So 8 1 ja 8, it will become what? It will become 8 upon 5. Now plus multiply is given, student. You will solve multiplication. It will become what? 4 3 ja 12 upon 5 10 ja 50. Clear? And minus 1 upon 5. Clear, student? So now what you can do, student? What you can do? You can take LCM. So now take LCM. LCM of 5, 15 and 5. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 10 ja 15, फिर 5 1 ja 5. 1 2 1. फिर so LCM is what? 5 2 ja 10, 10 5 ja 50. So write down LCM. LCM is 50. Clear, student? Now you know that 5 10 ja 50. You have to divide this 50 by 5, and what will come? You have to multiply by this. So 5 10 ja 50, 10 8 ja 80. So write down 80 plus 51 ja 50. So 1 12 ja 12 minus 5 10 ja 50, 10 1 ja 10. Clear, student? Now we have to solve this question. 80 plus 12. It will become what? 80 plus 12. 2 8 plus 1 9. 92 minus 10. This will become 82. Clear, student? Now 80 plus 12. 92. Here I am erasing. 80 plus 12, 92 minus 10 upon 50. Clear? Now 90 minus 2, 92 minus 10, it will come 82 upon 50. Clear, student? Now you have to check, can you reduce? Yes, you can reduce. Divide it by 2. 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, and here 25. Clear? This answer is also correct, but if you want to write down in mixed fraction, you know that how you can write down? You can write down what? 25 same and 25 1 ja 25, because 25 2 ja 50. You cannot not write down. So 25 1 ja 25. Clear? Ab what remains, student? 16 will remain. Clear? Everyone know na how it will come? Here I am going to explain. Like 25 and 41 is given. It will go 1 times. So 25 1 ja 25. 11 minus 5 6. 3 minus 2 1. So what you can write down? 1 whole 16 upon 25. Clear, student? So this is our correct answer. Clear, student? I think this question is clear, everyone. You have to solve the question step by step. Then you will be able to solve all the question very easily. Now come to the next question. So next question is, only you have to focus on B board mass. You have to use B board mass, then you will solve all the question based on this. Now after 7, I am going to solve question number 8. Question number 8. What is given? 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9. 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9 of 3 by 5 divided 1 whole 2 by 3 into 1 whole 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. It is looking complicated, but student, there is no need of worry. Only you have to follow the step, we will solve very easily. Clear, student? So now come to the question. Here anywhere vinculum is given, student? You can say no sir, vinculum is not given. Bracket is given? Yes, bracket is given. So you will solve first bracket. So first you will solve this bracket. अब in this bracket what you have to do, student? You have to do 2 by 3 and plus 4 by 9. अब what you can do? You have to take LCM. अब LCM, take LCM of 3 and 9. 3 and 9 you know that 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. फिर 3 1 ja 3. तो LCM is, student, what? 3 and 9. The LCM of 3 and 9 is 9. So write down 9. Okay, 9 is written. Now 3 3 ja 9. 3 remains. 3 2 ja 6. You know that this one. 9 1 ja 9. 1 4 ja 4. I explained this very well. Okay. Of same, write down 3 by 5 divided by 1 whole 2 by 3 into 1 whole 1 by 4 minus 1 upon 3. Clear, student? Now 6 plus 4, it will become, student, 10. 10 upon 9. After this bracket, what you have to solve, student? You have to solve off. So off is given, so write down off. Off means you know that multiplication and 3 upon 5. फिर divide 1 whole 2 by 3 into 1 whole 1 by 4 minus 1 upon 3. Clear, student? Now next is, here you can reduce, student. See, 5 2 ja 10. This is 5 2 ja 10. 3 3 ja 9. Clear, student? So here you can write down 2 upon 3 divided by, now solve this. It will come 3 1 ja 3. 3 1 ja 3. 3 plus 2 5. 5 upon 3 into 4 1 ja 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 upon 4 minus 1 upon 3. Clear, student? Now again you can solve. Here I am erasing. Only you have to follow the steps. You will solve all the question very easily, and practice is very important, student. Here 1 by 3 was there, na? Chal. Now come to the question. Here I am solving question number 8. Acha. 2 by 3. Write down 2 by 3. Division you will solve first. You know that this division change into multiplication, and this will become reciprocal. This will become 3 upon 5. Clear, student? Now this is what? Into, to write down into 5 upon 4. फिर -1/3. Clear student? Now check here, you can reduce anything. Yes, 3 and 3 you can reduce, 5 and 5 you can reduce, 2 to the 4 you can reduce. Clear? So now it will become 1/2 because here 1 is there, here 1 1/2 minus 1/3. Clear? Now what you will do student? You will take LCM. So LCM of 2 and 3 you know that what? 6. Write down 6. Now 2 3 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2, so -2. Yani this will become what? 1/6. So see here, answer is 1/6. This is very simple, my student. Here I am following step by step, and your all question solving I am very easily. So you can also solve, but you have to focus on this. Clear? Don't solve the question in hurry. Clear? You have to see question carefully, what is given, and you have to follow the steps. Clear? Now come to the next question. Here I am explaining some question, and rest of question you will solve yourself, because so many questions are given. So only I am clearing your basic concept. Clear? And you will be able to solve all the question. Now come to the next question. Next is, our next question is question number 9. Question number 9. Now come on, question number 9. Question number 9 is given what? 7 whole 1/3 divided by 2/3 of 2 whole 1/5 plus 1 whole 3/8 divided by 2 whole, this is divided by 2 whole 3/4 minus 1 whole 1/2. Clear student? This is our question. Now we have to solve this one. Asha, everyone, when you are watching video, Premiere or after Premiere, so student, you have to set your video screen on 360p or 480p. I also message you in online video, so you have to arrange your video quality. Clear student? So everything will be more clear. Now come to the question. Here vinculum is given student, vinculum is not given, so left vinculum. Bracket is given anywhere? No, bracket is also not given. Now what next? Off is given anywhere? To check off, yes, off is given here. So first you will solve this term. Clear student? This term, because off is given. So now how you will solve? First you will write down 7 whole 1/3, same. Divide is given, to write down divide. Now 2/3, so 2/3 same. Off means you know that multiply, and 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 11/5. Clear student? This is 5. Clear? 11/5 plus, you can solve this one also. 8 1 is 8, 8 plus 3 11/8 divided by 4 2 is 8, 8 plus 3 11/4. Clear? This one also. 2 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 3/2. Clear student? Now first you have to solve off, so this one you have to solve. So it will also, you can solve 7 3 is 21, 21 plus 2 22/3 divided by. Up here you will be confused कि sir here divide is given, here multiply is given, so divide you have to solve first. But student, first here off is given na, so this one is the part of off. So first you will solve what? You will solve off. So first you will solve this one. So 11 2 is 22, 5 3 is 15. Write down 15. Plus 11/8 divided by 11/4 minus 3/2. Clear? Now here 22/3, when this divide change into multiply, you know that this will be reciprocal, yani it will come 15/22. Similarly plus 11/8, when this divide change into multiplication, write down multiplication, this will be reciprocal, this will be 4/11. Clear student? Minus 3/2. Clear? Now you know that 22 you can reduce it. 3 5 is 15, so write down here 5. 11 reduce, 4 2 is 8. Clear? So what left student? Here it will left 5/1 plus Here what left? 1 upon 2 minus 3 upon 2. Clear, student? This is left. Now here I am erasing. So here I am erasing. Further we have to solve. See here. From here I am solving. 1, 2 and 2. Clear, student? So LCM is what? LCM is 2. Clear, student? LCM is 2. Now when LCM is 2, you know that 1 2 ja 2, 2 left, 2 5 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2, 1 1 ja 1. फिर माइनस साइन, तो राइट ऑन माइनस साइन, 2 1 जा 2, 1 1 जा 1. Clear, student? So now this will come what? 10 plus 1 11, 11 minus 1 10, यानी 10 upon 2. Clear, student? So 10 upon 2, here it is, I think there is some mistake. LCM is 2, 1 2 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2, 1 1 ja 1. अच्छा student, here 2 1 ja 2 na, here it will become what? 2 1 ja 2, 1 3 ja 3. Clear, student? देखो see, you have to solve the question very carefully because here 3 was na, but I written 1. You have to solve question very carefully, very carefully. So 10 plus 1 11, 11 minus 3 student what? 11 minus 3, you know that? Tell me, 11 minus 3, you can say sir 8. So write down 8. अब 2 4 ja 8. तो यानी our answer is 4. This is our correct answer. Clear, student? You have to solve question very very carefully. Clear? So LCM, you know that LCM of 1 2 and 2 is 2. अब you know that 1 2 ja 2 and 2 5 ja 10, फिर 2 1 ja 2, 1 1 ja 1, फिर 2 1 ja 2, 1 3 ja 3. Clear, student? So according to this you can solve the question. Clear, student? Now come to the next question. So our next question is last question I am going to explain, student, because many question I explained. So you have to solve all the question based on this, because in examination you have to solve the question self. No one will come to tell you how to solve. So when concept will be clear, you will be able to solve all the question based on this. Clear, student? Now last question I am going to solve. This is very long, a little bit long. Question number 15. This is question number 15. 7 whole 1 by 2 minus 2 whole 1 by 4 divided by 1 whole 1 by 4 minus 1 upon 2 in bracket 3 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1 by 6 here. Vinculum is given and bracket is given. Clear? So you have to solve this question very carefully, student. Now, one again I am going to check question is correct or not. 7 whole 1 by 2 minus 2 whole 1 by 4 divided 1 whole 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2, 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by. Okay. So in examination also you have to check that you are writing question correctly or not, because many times you are writing question incorrectly and the solution will be different. You have to check question is written correctly or not. Clear, students? So now come to the question. What is given, student? This is given 7 whole 1 by 2. You will write down same. Clear? Minus sign is given. Now 2 whole 1 by 4 write down same. Divide is given. So divide write down. Clear? Now bracket you have to, अच्छा vinculum is given na, तो write down 1 whole 1 by 4 same, minus 1 by 2. Now 3 by 2 minus 1 by, now here is the process. What is the process? Minus the, okay, minus sign. Vinculum is given, student na, so first you will solve what? First you will solve vinculum. Clear, students? 1 by, so vinculum is given on 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 6. So first you will solve 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 6. Clear, student? So 1 by 3 and 1 by 6. First you will solve this one because vinculum is given on this. You know that 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 6 it will become LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. So 3 2 ja 6. So write down 2, 6 1 ja 6 minus 1, and it will become what? 1 upon 6. Clear, student? This is our solution of this one. So here you can write down 1 by 6 because here I solved. Vinculum is given, so first you have to solve vinculum. Now bracket is closed. Okay, so now write down same 7 whole 1 by 2 minus 2 whole 1 by 4 divided by 1 whole 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Again you have to solve this bracket, student, because after vinculum bracket. So 3 by 2 and 1 by 6. You know that LCM of 2 and 6 is, student, LCM of 2 and 6. Here I am writing LCM of 2 and 6. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, and here 3 1 ja 3. Here you can check LCM of 2 and 6 is 6. Okay. So now LCM is, you can write down 6. 2 3 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. So 9 you will write down. 6 1 ja 6, 1 1 ja 1. Clear, student? So here solve this. Now again write down same 7 whole 1 by 2 minus 2 whole 1 by 4 divided by 1 whole 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Clear, student? Now solve the, acha, here nothing is given, it means multiply sign is given. 9 minus 1 8, to write down into 8. 6 is given, to write down 6. Yani this bracket solved. Okay, now come to the question. Again this is also a bracket. Now 7 whole 1 by 2 minus 2 whole 1 by 4 divided by 4 1 ja 4, 4 plus 1 5. So write down 5 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2 into 8 upon 6. Clear, student? Now I am erasing here. This is little bit long, but when you will follow all the process, you will solve the question very easily. So here I am erasing. Okay. So now first you will solve this bracket. Here minus is given and into is given. So what you will do first? You will do multiplication. 2 4 ja 8. Clear? So now write down 7 whole 1 by 2 minus 2 whole 1 by 4 divided by, here, divided by what? Acha, this is given. So 5 upon 4, write down 5 upon 4 minus, it will come what? 4 1 ja 4, 4 upon 6. Clear, student? Now again this bracket is given. So first you will solve bracket. So 7 whole 1 by 2 same minus, here 2 whole 1 by 4 divided by, now LCM of 4 and 6 is 20. You know that 4 and 6, LCM of 4 and 6. 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2, 3, फिर 3, 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. Okay, so LCM is 12. Now 4 3 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15 minus 6 2 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8. Clear? So this is the solution, 15 minus 8 upon 12. Now next is 7 whole 1 by 2 same minus 2 whole 1 by 4 divided by, now 15 minus 8 is, student, it will become 7 or 7 upon 12. Clear, student? Okay, now come to the next 7 whole 1 by 2 minus, again you have to solve bracket. So it will become what? 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 1 9 upon 4. Clear, student? When this divide change into multiply, you know that this will become reciprocal. I explained many times. So this will become 12 upon 7. Clear? Now up 4 3 ja 12, you can reduce it. Clear? So now next step is 7 whole 1 by 2 minus, open the bracket, 9 3 ja, student, you know that 27. So 27 upon 7. Clear? Okay. Now here it will become what? 7 2 ja 14, 14 plus 1 15, yani 15 upon 2 minus 27 upon 7. Clear, student? Now अब you know the LCM of 2 and 7. To find out LCM of 2 and 7. 2 and 7. 2 1 ja 2, 7 left. फिर 7 1 ja 7. 7 2 ja 14. Now, so here it will become, here I am solving. This LCM is 14. Clear? Now 2 7 ja 14, 15 7 ja 105. Clear student? अब 7 2 ja 14, 7 2 ja 14, 2 into 27, you know that 54. You will multiply. Now 5 minus 4 1, 10 minus 5 5. So this is 51 upon 14. Clear student? Now this is also correct, but you have to convert in mixed fraction. Means you have to solve in mixed fraction. Means till last. So 14. Up when you solve this, so 14 and here write down 51. 14 3 ja 14 1 ja 14, 14 2 ja 28, 14 3 ja 3 4 ja 12, 42. Because 14 4 ja what? 14 4 ja 64. So this will become what? 9. Clear student? So what you will write down? We'll write down this one first. 3 whole. This is second. 9 upon 14. So this is our correct answer. Means first you will write down this one. Second position is this one. And third position is this one. Clear student? So now I think now you are able to solve all the question, because I solve all the question of different variety. This is of based on question based on bar. Clear student? So now I think you are able to understand. So this is chapter 6 of simplification. RS Agarwal finished. So in next video we will discuss the next chapter. Clear student? So till you have to solve all the question, and any doubt you can ask. Clear student? Thank you students.